In just 30 days, I got my YouTube channel monetized. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, how many times I posted, how I made my captions, titles with AI, and how much money I've made already. And the most important thing that I did to get monetized on YouTube is at the end of this video. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. I only had 1,000 subscribers 1 year ago. July of 2024, I had 1,000 subscribers, and now look where I'm at. I'm at 51,000 subscribers. That's y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. That's who I'm talking to, right? My mindset was I treated shorts like a job and built my system. I made sure that I posted no matter what. Trust me, if I started at 1,000 subscribers 1 year ago, you guys can do the same thing. Now, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is my actual videos that I'm posting. Like, this is the style that I use. I'm not making actual content. Like, I know some people be like, oh, what? You're not doing anything. You're not doing anything. Well, if you know how YouTube works, you don't actually have to make content. You just have to add value to original content to the point where it doesn't look like the original content anymore. So that's your mindset. That's the mindset. That's the focus. Make content that doesn't look like where it came from. So this is what I mean. So look at this video. You can't tell where this actually came from, right? All you see is this guy talking. It's his podcast, but don't nobody know that. Like, it's just a piece of a real video. So YouTube looks at it as, okay, there's a whole 100% of a video, right? How much did you actually add into the video to make it yours? Did you just go screen record somebody's podcast and then post it? You added 0% of value to that video if you just reposted it how it is. But look at the bottom screen. This is all AI pictures I made through ChatGPT, making Diddy look like he's in court. That is adding value to the video. That's what makes it original, right? Now, look, that's 1.6 million right there. This is the first day. This right here is 3 months difference apart. These two videos right here, I posted 3 months apart. This is when I took the break. This is when I started. Boom, 1.6 out the gate, right? So I'm hyped. I'm like, okay, I'm already getting viral. So that's what gave me motivation to keep going, right? So I posted some more videos, the same style, switched them up. Now, boom, this is when I knew it was real right here. 4.4 million views. This one did like 1 million views in 24 hours. That's when I knew it was time. It was time to get monetized. Let's look at this video. Now, I took this video. These are all from his Instagram. I took all of these videos from his Instagram, downloaded them, and I am talking over the videos. Now, YouTube doesn't mind if you take people's footage, but if you talk over it, they will let you get monetized. They will pay you for it, basically. So if I would have just left his voice in all of the original audio from these videos, then I would not have been able to use it, right? But because I'm speaking over it and it's my narrative, it's a part of my production. It's just like the news. It's like fair use, basically. Like, the news can take your video and put it on the news. Like, they could take a video of you running around robbing people and blast it on their platform and make money because it's a part of their production, right? They're not just reposting it and that's the whole show, just you. They're taking your show and reacting to it. Think of it as like a reaction video, right? So these is what I'm making. These are the types of videos I'm making. And the reason it went so viral is because I was on it very, very early. Soon as I seen the internet was brewing up, coming up with some conspiracy theory that this guy was gone and missing and that he might have been kidnapped by the oil companies and all that, that's when I made the video and just went along with the internet. Like, just give the internet what they want. Like, look at these videos. These are just straight up internet people. Dr. Umar, Birdman and Hot Boys, Lil Wayne, Shannon Sharp, DDG. These are internet people that I'm talking about. I realized that the internet gives you the topics. You don't always have to go making up a topic. You need to just lean in to what everybody's talking about and put your face in the middle of it. Look how I put my face. This is when I start realizing and using ChatGPT to ask, what am I doing wrong? Why can't I get monetized? And this is when ChatGPT told me to start adding my face to the content to also make it original, which is crazy, right? But adding my face and adding my voice over all of these clips makes it original. Now let's go to these viral titles that I put on here. Like, the titles need to be clickbait. I can't stress to you guys enough how much clickbait matters. I know 5-10 years ago, everybody was like, oh, it's clickbait. You just be doing clickbait. But now that's the standard. Clickbait is here to stay. And that's how YouTube works now. It's clickbait, right? So instead of coming up with your own titles, descriptions, captions, and ideas, you need to be using ChatGPT. Look, I pay $20 a month for this app, but it is free. But I'm gonna keep it real. You're not gonna get the full ChatGPT, the full AI effect, unless you're paying the $20 a month. It's totally worth it. I use it every day for all my titles, for all my descriptions, right? Look, I got all these chats that are lined up with my YouTube channel, monetizing Twitch clips. Look, YouTube title brainstorming. Let's click that one. That's where all my titles and my descriptions are at, right? This is how you need to be coming up with your titles. You need to write this every time. I use this every single time, and I did 50 million views off of this every time. I don't switch it up. I don't change it. All I do is add to it, right? Do some research. Very important. You're telling AI to do research and come up with the best YouTube Shorts title to rank for search on YouTube for a video of Charleston White. Now that is the main line right there. For a video of, this is what you need to do. After that, you plug in whatever you're making a video of. It's that simple. So I was making a video of Charleston White versus Lil Boosie and his son, breaking news type of style, right? So I just told it what the video was about. Charleston White revealing that he just got rapper Boosie's son locked up. He called the police on Boosie's son, Tootie Raw. Charleston White is laughing, saying he might get 10 years for what he had in his car. Charleston White is wild for this, and he says he was scared of him. That's why he called the police. Charleston White just touched down in Atlanta for 2 hours and already got him locked up. That's literally what the whole video is from start to finish. The more you give ChatGPT information, the more it will reward you with the best results. Don't get lazy on this part at all. Don't just feel like, oh, I could just say anything. Give the machine the information. Now, this is what it gave us. Here's a highly clickable, SEO optimized YouTube Shorts title for the wild moment of Charleston White. Charleston White brags he got Boosie's son arrested, says he landed him 10 years in 2 hours, right? But this is not where I stop. Even though this is a good title, this is a very good title, but that's not where I stop. This is the second step. This is where people are going wrong, because there's a lot of people creating titles through ChatGPT, but they're not doing this. This is what I responded with. Give me one more clickbait. You feel me? Give me that clickbait. Like, everybody's going to be posting about Charleston White and Boosie, but I need the clickbait. Charleston White lands in ATL. 2 hours later, he gets Boosie's son locked up, right? And that's what I choose. I copy that and go straight in. Now, after you get your title, you got your title, you posted, you pasted it into YouTube. Now you're going to ask it, please give me the best YouTube Shorts description. Come on, people. This is fast work right here. This makes my posting way easier. I can post 4 or 5 times a day because this machine got me covered, right? You copy that and you paste it into the same video, right? Now after this, I'm going to show you how much money I made. I'm going to show you guys exactly how much money I made. I only been monetized for 3 weeks, and I'm going to show you how much they gave me. It's a blessing, right? But first, I got to show you how audience retention works, how to get people to not swipe out of your video before it completes, because the video needs to complete in order for it to go viral. YouTube needs people to finish the video, not swipe out before it ends, a few seconds before it ends, or 5 seconds in, and then they're already swiping out. That's bad. That triggers YouTube that it's a bad video, it's bad content, and they're not going to push it, because the whole way this works is you got to get YouTube to push your content. The audience is already there, but they don't push every video unless the people say it's a good video, right? So there's so many ways to make money on here though now. Like, they got all this shopping, latest affiliate offers, earn up to 20% boosted commission at Walmart like, bro, 35% commission. And all you got to do is make videos with the products that they have in here. Let's go to shopping, earn on YouTube. This is all once you get monetized. They have all these opportunities to make more money. It's so many stores. Look, Samsung, Home Depot, Sephora, Walmart. All you got to do is get a product from here. And they're talking about they'll send you some, right? These are some of my clothes right here. Y'all want to go support. I dropped Financial Freedom clothing also, because we own to the financial freedom, right? Y'all go support, man. Go support that. But honestly, it's a gold mine on this YouTube channel. Like it's a real blessing, like I said, because I literally prayed for this. Supers and gifts, brand connects, player for education. Now this is like almost like a Patreon for education. You put up videos teaching and people can only watch it if they pay for it. It's not just on YouTube. You got memberships where you can, dang, I got a new member. Oh, thank you, man. Somebody joined. Hey, I appreciate y'all, man. If the members watching, hey, man, we growing on this channel. We making more, right? Now, this is just off the memberships, but I'm going to show you how much I made off views at the end of this video. So stick around if you want to see how much I make and how much 1 million views pays, right? Now, I'm going to show you guys audience retention and how to get people to stick around to watch the full video so your video can go viral. Because if people aren't watching the whole video, it's not going to go viral. Look how big the title is. Big, super bright yellow, huge. Is Birdman in trouble? It makes you curious. Like, why would he be in trouble? What's going on with Birdman? And that makes people want to stick around to the end of the video, right? Now, I also have something called the 3 to 4 second rule or the 2 to 3 second rule. This is a trick right here that changed everything. I'm trying to tell y'all. The 3 second rule. Look at the video. Every 3 seconds, something is happening. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Every time something happens, it's within a 2 to 4 second span. And what I mean happens, look at the video. There's a chop. There's something popping up. There's a picture popping up, right? It's keeping people engaged. Nothing looks boring. And this is how you get your videos on loop. Now let's go to another one. Let's look at Ja Rule performs at a golf course. 600K views, right? Thumbnail, nice bright red arrow pointing at Ja Rule. So you know we're talking about Ja Rule. That's him. He looks like he's having a good time. Caught him in a good moment, right? That thumbnail matters. Look, I got 2 pictures of Ja Rule and I got the arrow pointing at Ja Rule. So this lets Ja Rule's fans know, watch this video. It's about Ja Rule, because you won't know who that is if I don't put that arrow and I don't put his, right? And then you got his name right there. It all complements each other. So it makes people want to click it. Now look, 3 seconds in, something already flipped, right? Like, let's go back. I want y'all to catch that. As soon as it start, red arrow. Then it flips the whole video. Like, all right, it starts over. All right, let me see the whole thing now. 3 seconds, look, another little chop, another chop, right? Every 3 seconds, a zoom in at him, right? Now, this whole video doesn't have all of that. The original video is just somebody standing there filming the performance, right? But I added in all of these chops, all these zoom ins. I add 50 Cent, add my logo, subscribe. Red arrow, got his pictures down there. It's part of my production, making it my work. This is part of my work now. And that's the law. If you're going to get mad at that, hey, that's what YouTube is pushing. That's what you're supposed to do, right? So without further ado, we're going to go to what you guys been waiting on. Let's see how much I made. I've only been monetized for 3 weeks so far. Let's check out how much I made. Okay, now we're on analytics. You guys can see how much I made off of this channel after getting monetized in 1 month. There it is, everybody. $1,272.44. Oh man, it was an uphill battle, man. It was not easy, y'all. I'm telling you, it was not easy. Look, as soon as I started the first day, $42 on the first day. Look, you could tell I got monetized August 16th. $42, $54. These are how much I'm making on each of those days. I'm like, all right, they giving me a cool little, a little 40, 50 piece, $30, 32. These are all days right here. Make off of shorts, right? But it's accumulating. I'm like, okay, it's some cool little passive income. Like, I'm like, hey, that's cool. You feel me? Then the Young Thug news came out and I started hitting 135 days, 167 days, 165 days. And that was yesterday and the day before that. So boom, these are all off short videos. I had a spike because I was right on top of a topic. Young Thug, Birdman, YSL Woody, right? People ate all that up. You can see right here, Birdman exposed. 92,000 views, YSL Woody, $1,200, everybody. So this could be y'all, man. I'm doing this to show y'all that YouTube is for sure a passive income. It is great for entrepreneurship. It is a way to make an extra few racks every month. Look, this is only August 16th and today is September 4th, right? That's 1,200 in like 3 weeks. That's a real income, everybody. So y'all need to get on it. I just wanted to show y'all. I wanted to show y'all it's real, man. Like I'm not just doing this for my health or for my cause it's cool or something like that. We on passive income. We on entrepreneurship. This is only the beginning, everybody. Like this is literally the beginning, right? 50,000 subscribers in 1 year. Last year, around this time, I had 1,000 subscribers. So this is a brand new thing. This is brand new. Comment below how you got monetized. Maybe there's other ways to get monetized. Maybe people don't want to do the shorts like me. I went the shorts way. I went the small, short content. I know people are scrolling all day. It's hard to get people to watch you a long form video of you. So comment below if you have other ideas. Also comment below if you want to know more in depth on what I did to get monetized, like how I do my content, tutorials. If y'all don't know, I edit everything myself. I come up with all my titles through ChatGPT. So we're going to be teaching a lot how to make money on this channel,